is it over now? Over something that you overheard? It's over dramatized, over complicated over here. All your clever talk leaves you tongue-tied. It's overkill. You wanna fix it with your hands tied. You never will. I don't wanna play this game no more. Back and forth, back. Is it over now? So tell me, how does it feel? Is it over now? Are you get over me? Are you get over me? Take it easy now, don't wanna change a thing. Don't want my dirty little feet all over everything. I took my shoes off that I wouldn't trade over the clean sheets wrapped